The 3 simple truths. Number 1 is you have to understand this. Without reviews, your book won't sell. Now, I'm not talking about, oh, well, I have no reviews on my book and I make 2 or 3 sales a month. Okay, your book's not selling. I'm talking about actually making money. You have to have reviews in order to sell. The second truth is without reviews, your ads won't convert. I keep seeing this over and over and over again inside the communities. I'm running ads. They're not converting. My ACoS is stupidly high. Why? You got 12 reviews. That's why. You have to have reviews rather in order for your ads to convert. Nobody is going to click on a book, let alone buy it, if there's like 4 reviews, whether or not you have an ad or not. If you have less than 15 to 20 reviews, don't waste money on ads. Please don't, for the love of God. The third thing is without reviews, you're wasting your time. Look, if you're not focused on getting reviews, if you're not focused on learning how to get reviews, you're wasting your time publishing.